Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Today we will talk something about the sketches, how we can transfer sketches into something photorealistic. For a start, I will find some drawings. So let's go sketch, house, and let's pick some drawing of some kind of house. Let's go with this one, for example. All we have to do, we have to take a screenshot so we can have a picture. So it can be also on your phone. So just if you have some drawing on your paper, just take a screenshot out of it or just take a photo out of it and then convert it into 3D or photorealistic visualization. So what we can do right now, we can just type in like convert this into photorealistic visualization of house. And we can also try different variants. So let's go with three ones. And right now, in about 20 seconds, we'll get three different variations of this house in a real 3D model. This can be also dependent on your interior. So if you want to convert not the exterior but interior, you can do this. Just have a sketch of the interior and just type in, convert it into interior design, and it will do absolutely that. So as we can see right now, this was the original model. This is the first option, this is the second option, and this is the third one. I think the most accurate one is this one. And for example, right now we are not satisfied with the walls. So just let's say change the walls to the normal white color. And you can also say, for example, change the roof. Let's go with two different variants. And let's wait another 20 seconds and let's see what AI will do. I will show you how you can transform a sketch into photorealistic visualizations that you are actually satisfied with. So for example, you are doing some reconstruction and you want to also add, for example, some part of the house or something. You can absolutely use this. You just have a sketch, then convert it and then make it as you wish. So let's see what it does. So we told it to change the walls into white and the color of the roof to red. So this is what we get. We can still see that the walls are quite like wooden or something. Let's say, for example, we want this house to have a solid white walls. So not blanks. Let's see what it can do. You can also, for example, change the time of the day. For example, it can be also during the night. It can be also in the morning. You will see it in a couple of seconds. You can, for example, also change the windows, the doors, and anything that we are not satisfied with. And right now you can see there are no planks, but there is just pure concrete here. For example, let's try how will this make this house view in a morning. Photorealistic, nice render. Also add light from morning sun, for example. Yeah, you can experiment with the prompt and type anything that you actually can think of, and it will create what you want. We'll take another couple of seconds and we will get the visualizations that we expected. And here you can see the house in the morning shades. You see this one, either this one. So I think the best one is actually this one, maybe this one. And we can also, for example, say add some people in front of house talking. And this will add basically people who are talking in front of house. So yeah, this would be it, guys. Thank you for the watching. This will be like a quick tutorial on how to convert a sketch into actual model of house. And here you can see people talking. If you are interested more, check out meltflexai.com. Ciao.